Jai Hind student, welcome to English class. So students, we are studying the chapter subject verb agreement. Now in the last two lectures we have discussed different rules for subject verb agreement, how to apply the verb according to the subject. Now in this lecture again we are discussing some set of rules in this lecture. Okay, now let's start. Compound subjects joined by either or and neither nor take singular or plural verb depending upon the nearer subject to the verb. Now what does this mean? Suppose subject जो है that is compound subject का मतलब क्या है? एक से ज़्यादा subject. Okay? तो जब दो सब्जेक्ट्स जो हैं जॉइंट होंगे किससे? ईदर और या नीदर नॉर से, उस कंडीशन में जो वर्ब यूज़ होगी दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन द सब्जेक्ट, जो सब्जेक्ट के पास वर्ब होगी, जो नियरर होगी वर्ब, ओके, जो नियरर सब्जेक्ट होगा, सो द वर्ब विल बी अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट सब्जेक्ट ओनली. Now let's see the examples, then it will be more clear to you. For example, either the project or the assignment is due today. Now here you can see is the verb here, and there are two subjects, that is the project and assignment. Now nearer to is assignment, so we have so we will take assignment subject, and accordingly we will put the verb here. So assignment is singular, so the verb will also be singular. Next, neither the document nor the test papers are missing. So here you can see are is the verb here, and test papers, so nearer to verb the subject is test papers, so the verb will be according to the test papers, that is a plural subject, so here it will be are. Next, either the notebook or the ball pen is needed for outreach. Okay, so again you can see, now I think with these examples it is more clear to you ki how to put the verb according to the subject. Okay, now let's see few more examples. Neither the teacher nor the students join the rally. So here you can see students is plural, so we have put join. Okay, we have written join. अगर यहाँ पे सिर्फ स्टूडेंट होता बेटा तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता? जॉइंस हो जाता. Okay, either the mouse or the keyboard is new. Neither the table nor the chairs are in place. Okay, so these are the few examples of how to use either or neither or. Okay, now next let's see the next rule. Subject separated by word not, the verb agrees with affirmative. Okay, अगर जो है सब्जेक्ट जो है नॉट से सेपरेटेड है, सपोज द चाइल्ड नॉट द मदर shows more compassion to the beggar. So here you can see there are two subjects, that is the child and mother, and the subjects are separated by the word not. So in this case the verb will be according to the first subject, that is the child. Okay, the books not the wallet are missing. So again you can see the first subject is the books and the second subject is the wallet. So books here it is plural, so the verb will also be plural, that is we have to use are. The teachers not the principal attend the symposium. So again the teachers is plural, so we have written attend. Okay, यहाँ teacher होता तो verb जो हो जाती attends. The guests nor the teacher are in the hall. Now next move on to the next rule. Adjective used as subject are plural in meaning and therefore they take the plural verb. So whenever the adjective, as you all know describing words को हम adjective बोलते हैं, जब कभी adjective जो है वो subject की तरह अगर use हो रहे हैं, okay, and they are plural in meaning, then the verb will also be plural. For example, let's see, the rich are not always happy. So here you can see rich, if you will see this is an adjective, rich is an adjective, but here the rich is used as a subject. The rich are not always happy. Okay, so here it will be, the verb will be plural. The meek are rewarded in heaven. Okay, Happy are the poor, for the kingdom of God is theirs. So again, happy is the verb here. Sorry, it is the adjective and it is used as a subject here. Happy are the poor. So here we have used plural. Okay, the verb will be plural. So in this way we can use the different verbs when it is adjective, or we have used either or, neither or when the two subjects are separated by not. So these are the few rules. I hope you all have understood. Now in next lecture we'll be discussing some more new rules. Thank you everybody.